Hello, all you lovely people. Welcome back to What's Up, your monthly guide to the sky. Now, this week is Mars Week here at the MSUM Planetarium, and I wanted to make this special podcast to tell you guys a little bit more about Mars and the Perseverance landing. So let's get started. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and it is the second smallest planet in our solar system, right after Mercury. Mars is home to the tallest mountain in the solar system. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano and is 21 kilometers high and 600 kilometers in diameter. Despite having formed over billions of years, evidence from volcanic lava flows is so recent, many scientists believe it can still be active today. Mars also has the largest dust storms in the solar system. They can last for months and cover the entire planet. The seasons are very extreme because its elliptical orbital path around the Sun is more elongated than most of the other planets in our solar system. Mars also takes its name from the Roman god of war. The ancient Greeks called the planet Ares after their god of war. The Romans did likewise, associating the planet's blood red color with Mars, their own god of war. Interestingly, other ancient cultures also focused on color. To China's astronomers, it was the fire star, while Egyptian priests called it Herdesher, or the red one. The red color Mars is known for is due to the rock and dust covering its surface being rich in iron. One thing that I found very interesting about Mars is that one day Mars may have a ring. In the next 20 to 40 million years, Mars's largest moon, Phobos, will be torn apart by gravitational forces, leading to the creation of a ring that could last up to 100 million years. So I guess if we like it, we better put a ring on it, right? Mars is also the home of Venusmerenetis. The Venusmerenetis is an extensive canyon system on the Mars equator. It is 4,200 kilometers long and in places is 7 kilometers deep. On Earth, it would span the entire North American continent and then some. Mars has a very primitive form of plate tectonics, and the action of two plates past each other began splitting the surface some 3.5 billion years ago. That set the stage for the formation of Venusmerenetis. Since this Mars-themed week here at the MSUM Planetarium is dedicated to the Perseverance rover landing, I would like to talk about that just a little bit more. As I said in my previous video, landing on Mars is extremely difficult. So you'll want to watch on February 18th, 2021, when Perseverance hopefully becomes the first artificial object to land on the red planet since Mars InSight lander in 2018. It'll be the first rover since Curiosity touchdown in 2012. Due to land in the Jezero crater, just north of Mars's equator, Perseverance carries a slew of science instruments to collect soil samples and search for signs of ancient life. It's equipped with advanced audio-visual technology to let us see and hear, for the first time ever, what it's like to touch down on another world. This is going to be a very exciting event, and NASA TV's live coverage of the event will begin on February 18th at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The landing will take place at approximately 3:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So use this website that I have here in the video to take you to the live coverage so you can join in watching this exciting event. Again, this is the first time that we will be able to see and hear what it's like to touch down on another world. So again, fingers crossed for our little buddy Perseverance on his landing, and I hope you all tune in because this is truly a very exciting event. So I know that I have thrown a lot of information at you guys, and I just want to wrap up with kind of giving you just a few more little fun facts that I thought were pretty cool. So the average temperature on Mars is negative 81 degrees Fahrenheit. So I suggest if you do ever planning on going to Mars, you might want to bring a coat, or 10. Also, it would take more than 6 Marses to fill the volume of the Earth. Like I said earlier, Mars is the second smallest planet in our solar system, so hopefully that gives you kind of an idea of how big it is compared to Earth. And on Mars, you would experience 62.5% less gravity than you are used to here on Earth. So that means if you weigh 100 pounds here on Earth, you will only weigh 38 pounds on Mars. Also, the last little fun fact that I want to throw at you is that Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide. So in a sense, it's kind of the opposite of ours. Thank you all so much for listening in, and I hope you learned a lot of new things about Mars. I know I did doing this research, and I hope you guys can learn something pretty cool about it as well. Please make sure to follow all of our social medias, and until next time, I hope you all enjoyed getting to know what's up.